Watch me change my living room from lush spring to bright summer. Here on LCD. Hi you guys. I got this frame from the Goodwill. It's $6.99. All I did was find one that was the size I needed. I took a razor blade, cut along the edges, all around, took the staples out, and then slowly picked up the cardboard. Went to Office Depot and printed off the photos that I wanted to replace it with. This is what was originally in the frame. Very different than my stuff. Alright, so this is the poster I had printed. Go ahead and took that out, and I'm going to replace it with the other one. my spring stuff, all my canvas paintings here. The photos that came off the wall, just put them back in the Walgreens envelope. These, just put in a Ziploc bag. The glass mostly is wrapped in plastic. My poster for my spring photo, just wrapped back up. Pillowcases are in here. I'll probably continue to collect spring stuff off season as I see it, because that's when I can get the best deal for it, and I'll just put it in this crate. I have one for every season, and then pull it back out come the change of season. As simple as that.